What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Carver Outdoors here, guys. It's been a little bit since I made a video, and got a project that I'm about to do here, and I figured it might be a good time for me to post a video and maybe help out someone out there who's wanting to do a little project of their own. By any means, I am not the architect of the best architect in the world, so if I can do something like this, you know, you should be able to do something like this yourself. So in this video, guys, we're talking about building a nice little fire pit for your house. Me and my wife just moved into a new house. I wanted to build a fire pit, and I wanted to look really nice. I don't want to just go out and just buy some simple fire pit and just put it down. And plus, also, those are expensive. So I feel like you can spend about the same money and do it yourself and make it look really nice. So what I did, guys, I went to Lowe's and I got some material. Now, when we're talking about building this fire pit, you can build a fire pit for right around $100, and I think you can make it look really nice. At least that's my plan. That's my hope. Mine came out to about $150, but you might have some tools already. I bought some weed guard, tarp, a shovel, and I bought some gloves. So you take that stuff away, now you're closer to $125. And you know, if you do $125 for a fire pit, that ain't too bad. And I got some accessories like some white rock and some lava rock. So if you just want to build the base of a fire pit, then you could do it for right around $80, to be honest. So this rock, what I got right here, I got it at Lowe's. You don't see all of it in my truck right now because I've already put some in the backyard. I got it, and it's $1.99 per rock. All right. So what you need to do, what I did, go to Lowe's, go ahead and sit out the base of your fire pit. Count those. That's 11. So now you're going to have to do some really hard math. If you want 3 levels, you're going to have to do 11 times 3, and that could be really difficult. So maybe pull out your phone, get a calculator. But, you know, I'm here, and I can help you right now. So 11 times 3, you're talking about 33 total rocks. You times that by 2, and bang, you get you a fire pit for about $66 before tax. All right, don't forget the before tax. But anyways, guys, so if you just did the rocks, you're gonna get out around close to $80-something, and that ain't bad. But of course, I went with some white rock that I'm gonna put around the fire pit, and got some red lava rock that I want inside the fire pit. I think it's gonna make it look really nice. So we're talking about a fire pit that's close to $100 if you already got some tools. So I think that's pretty good. I'll show you what my simple steps I'm gonna do as far as making it, and hopefully at the end of this video we've got a nice little fire pit, guys. So already, as always, guys, if you do like the video, smash the like button. It always helps out the video. Share it out, and subscribe to Carver's Outdoors if you haven't already. We're gonna do a lot of outdoor stuff, and we do some fishing, and hopefully in the year 2021 we're able to get back on the lake a little bit more, guys. But let's build this fire pit. Okay, YouTube, so the first part is pretty well done. This is what we got so far. This is our base. Okay, so I spent a little bit extra time on the base. You can see I dug some out. All right, I wanted to make it pretty flat, so I cut off a little bit off the top of the grass, and then I go ahead and put my base down the way I want it. And then when it comes down to this, you'll see some rocks that's a little bit higher or lower than the other one. I go one by one through each rock. I take it out. All right, and then I just skim with the shovel to get it back to where I can make this thing as flat as it is. There you can see, probably took about a ½ inch out of the dirt. All right, then when I like it, put this thing back in there and try to fit it to where it's nice and flush with about, you know, as level as you're gonna get it. And that's how we do. I'm currently trying to work around to keep the cracks as minimal as possible. All right, so the next part I'm gonna do now is dig out a little bit more around these edges, and then I'm gonna put some weed guard down. That way, about halfway through the rock, through however far I wanna come out, this is where I'm gonna have my white rock at. I'm gonna have that weed guard come through just to kind of help prevent a little bit more weed protection. So that's gonna be the next process. Let's see it. All right, so last step is now done. Just simply put some weed guard around it, and I'm not gonna put a topper on the edge or an edger because this is a project that when we put the white rock around, I'm gonna leave some room for growth, because I might want to extend the white rock even more. I would have to go out and buy more. Wouldn't mind having chairs around it and then have the white rock come all the way to your feet. That way your feet's touching white rock rather than grass. So this will just be the start of it. Once I put the white rock around, I'll kind of edge up these borders. So for the next step, I think I'm going to start stacking the other rocks. So here we go. All right, guys, so that step is done. Looks pretty good. And I mean, if you end up not getting any of the white rock or the lava rock, this would be your fire pit. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with it. You got to play around with it for a little bit. I mean, I'll tell you, mine ain't perfectly even, but it, you know, it's not bad. I had to play around with it a little bit, take some out, put a little bit more ground and mud underneath some to really level it out, you know, to the best. But I think it's looking pretty good. So now I'll get the rock and we'll start livening this thing up a little bit, and we're almost done. All right, guys, so this is the end result, and I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, it's not bad. So there's your red lava rock. I really like that. I've got it about 1 base thick. You can go smaller or higher, doesn't matter. Then I got some white lava rock. So to go around this thing and to have it that thick and a little bit wide, and like I say, we might bring it out even wider, so I'm not going to cap it or nothing. But this is 5 bags worth, and then the lava rock was 3 bags. They both are about $5 a piece. So if you want to do just the base rock fire pit, you're looking at $100, if not a little bit less, if you got all the tools and everything. If you want to do the lava with the white rock around it, you're going to be closer to $125. So not bad. I mean, it's not bad at all. But yeah, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Like I say, I'm very pleased with the project, and hopefully now going to go out, get some chairs, and hopefully have some really good nights around the fire. It's going to add a lot to the house. So yeah, like I say, guys, this is something that you can easily do yourself. Probably will take a couple hours. It took me maybe, like I say, maybe 2 hours if we're not counting taking a trip to Lowe's or anything like that. Now we got to go get some chairs, get some s'mores, get some firewood, and have some good time, guys. As always, appreciate you watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to Carver Outdoors. Subscribe to my other channel of The Coach Plays. It's be in the description. But anyways, guys, appreciate y'all very much. We'll start posting some more videos this year, hopefully with things outdoors and fishing. So until next time, guys, as always, God bless.